Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install ChatGPT app on an Android phone. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead and find your Play Store or Google Play Store. So just go ahead and tap on it. Make sure that you're logged in. Now go to the very bottom. We have here the search bar or the search function. Tap on it and tap on the search bar right here at the very top. Tap. And then in here, just got to start typing ChatGPT, just like so. Now you can go ahead and tap on the search result or tap on find, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, make sure that you download the ones from OpenAI. Okay, so once you've found it, you can now go ahead and tap on install, wait for the process to finish. And then once that's done, as you can see here, we now have the open button. If you want to, you can go ahead and open it from here. If not, find the app icon, just like so. If not on your home, swipe up and find it right here on your app section. Tap and hold. Now add it to your home screen. Okay, and there you have it. You can now go ahead and open it up and enjoy. That's how easy it is to install ChatGPT app on an Android phone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.